Hey, in the video you're about to see, I've decided to bring my Simplicity Sunstar with the Johnny Bucket Jr. to work. One of the things that we have at work is a big parking lot, and one of the responsibilities we have is to fill in the potholes and stuff every season. So I thought, perfect opportunity to get the Sunstar out there and the Johnny Bucket Jr., move that gravel around, fill in the potholes and stuff like that. So here is me learning how everything works as far as moving the gravel around and leveling it off and flattening it. And so I had a little fun doing it, and here you go. this last little bit that I'm going to show you, I wanted to share with you that the Sunstar has a traction control lever by your right heel when you're driving this thing. And I was playing around in the gravel pile, stepping on that lever and allowing myself to have positive traction on the rear. So the next bit you're going to see is just me playing around with that and seeing what kind of a difference it makes. All right, so there you go. You caught me playing around with my new toy at work. But what I want to point out is one thing that's a little bit difficult with this particular setup is the Sunstar actually is hydrostatic, and the hydrostatic lever is by your right hand on the dashboard, and the Johnny Bucket Jr. is controlled by a hydraulic lever on the left and a little button to tip it, you know. So everything I was doing there, with the exception of my right heel, was all done, you know, by my hands. So coordination was a little tricky at times, speeding the tractor up and slowing it down and stopping at the same time, dumping the bucket and lifting the bucket and all that stuff. So a little more practice, and I'm sure I'll get better at it. But thanks for watching.